At the largest hospital inside Gaza, Al-Shifa, tonight just 2 doctors remain trying to take care of about 200 patients. Early today, Israel says it detained the director of that hospital and took him in for questioning. Erin McLaughlin has more.
Tonight, as fighting rages across Gaza, a temporary ceasefire just hours away, Ahmed Mukhalalati, one of 2 remaining doctors at the besieged Al-Shifa Hospital, tells NBC News.
The Israeli soldiers and officers pushing him and say, if you don't leave the hospital, your life will be threatened.
How are you going to leave Al-Shifa?
To be honest, I don't know.
Once a refuge for tens of thousands of Gazans fleeing the war, now Mukhalalati says there are only 200 patients left, too sick to leave on their own.
Patients are here with all kinds of injuries. We can't save them. We keep losing them. We lost a patient overnight, and we lost another one yesterday evening.
Today, the Gaza Health Ministry announced there'd be no more convoys of ambulances out of Al-Shifa after the Israeli military arrested the hospital's director. While he's not been charged, the IDF has accused him of collaborating with Hamas.
They're trying to ruin this tunnel in order for us not to be able to enter.
After the Israeli military discovered several tunnels beneath the hospital complex, once used, they allege, as Hamas military headquarters.
Above us is a hospital. Above us, patient, wounded, doctors, all being a human shield.
This as the IDF faces international pressure to justify its seizure by force of the largest hospital in Gaza.
The Israeli military found tunnels under Al-Shifa.
And medical staff who were treating the patients. What's under the ground is under the ground.
The WHO tells NBC News there are only 2 of 24 hospitals still operating in northern Gaza. Tonight, there's fear that without a full ceasefire, there soon won't be any hospitals left. Erin McLaughlin, NBC News, Tel Aviv.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.